You understand? So sometimes we rely on the history matching performed by MBAL, but if we are still not so sure, we can do it manually. Okay, we can do it manually. And let's say finish. Let's say I also want to perform matching for this one. Okay, for the relative permeability data or the fractional flow data, I can do regress. Okay, just regress like this. Or if you want to regress on selected variables, you can perform regression like this, right? Okay. All right. Click finish. Check the relative permeability. Now it is changed, but I think it's not that correct. Change again. We want to parameters. Okay. Let's check regression again. We cannot do that because no, we will change this data. We go back to the original. Okay. Okay, and then it's like this. Let's say I want to change to this one, the exponent. Okay. Okay. I prefer this one. You see? So the fractional flow will be like this. Previously, we have this one and one. Okay. If you read your textbook about fractional flow, the shape will be like this one. If you change it, the shape will be like S, letter S. Okay, so I will use this one, click finish, yes. And then let's say I want to perform history matching again. Regression, I will give limit